Hi, my name is Shannon, and you are here because you know the difference between a camera and a phone. A phone is not a camera, and a camera is not a phone. The quality should be self-evident in my corporate portfolio that includes factories, locations, headshots, boardrooms, and internal stock. If you want to know more about internal stock, you really should contact me. It is a very economical way for your company, no matter what size it is, to have images of the highest quality that you can use in perpetuity. I'm located in Denton, Texas, so feel free to contact me locally, and I can travel to all parts of the globe. Thanks for watching.